What up everybody, and welcome to my first, maybe my second video on this channel. The first one was not a great success. I'm gonna make this video without editing and everything else. I'm just gonna upload it instantly to you guys' faces so you can see what we are doing. Let me change my cam here. Bang. So we are going to do a series that will help me learn more about Unreal Engine. That series will be called Can I Replicate a Game? And the first game we are going to do in 2 weeks are the basics mechanics of for RocketLeuge, and with the graphics of Unreal Engine 5 and maybe ray tracing. What the plan is, I'm trying to do here for this first video is that we're gonna try to recreate a 1v1 versus setting for RocketLeuge. But then an Unreal Engine 5, so we can see if we can build it. The reason why is because I don't have any clue how cars work in Unreal Engine, and I really want to learn. So that's why I said, can we build a game in 2 weeks? And it should be multiplayer, and it's gonna be using peer-to-peer and no dedicated servers, because I don't know yet how dedicated servers work. We can try to make it dedicated though, so we can run servers when I want to, and how many servers I want to be running, so people join that server by itself. I know there are some challenging points on RocketLeuge itself because their networking is calculating every time where the ball is, and on that point I really want to see how we can do that and how we can achieve that maybe in a later phase, and that means that we need to use dedicated servers. As the first point of interest, we are just going to make it a client-sided server, so the guy who makes the lobby is the owner of the server. So that's the goal of that one. I know how servers work in Unreal. The only thing I need to do is install a plugin, but you will guys see that in the fast forward version that I'm gonna use. This is the only video that I'm gonna separate record. The rest will be pulled off of the Twitch. If you want to join my Twitch, it's twitch.tv/killercknl. And there you can see me create everything what I do with Unreal. I'm now working on 3 games in total. One is my own. It's a zombie game, but that's a little bit on a back burner because I don't know how to use Blender. So if you are interested in a project that you want to help me with and you are a Blender guy, hit me up on the Discord. It's in the link in the description. Or just send me a DM on YouTube, or put it in the description. I would rather appreciate some help with Blender. So yeah, I'm streaming this on Twitch. This is going to be a Twitch/YouTube series, and we are just going to build like RocketLeuge in Unreal Engine 5, because there are 2 reasons of that. I want to learn it, and the developers are too lazy to do it themselves, and yeah. So let's see if we can make something fun to work. You guys can see this as a trailer for the full video that comes out in like 2 weeks. So yeah, check that out. And I will see you guys in the video in 2 weeks. So if you have questions, you can ask them. And if you want to see my progress, I started 13/11/2023. And that means in 2 weeks, like in 14 days. Let me guess, that's 27/11. We have a video uploaded, like, let's say 28. We have a video uploaded on YouTube on the progress and how we did it. There will be maybe a download link on the thingy to make this, to check with your friends, but I'm not sure of that. If you want to help me with the progress of being a full-time game developer, you can check out my Patreon and everything else. And yeah, I will see you guys in the video. Peace out.